In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Clipchamp. So first of all, you want to go on the left here and go to the text section. Now here you can see there are a ton of different options. There's plain text, there's these different titles, there's 2 lines, captions, special, and loads more. So depending on what you need it for, you can pick it out. So let's start off with the plain text so I can show you how it works. You want to click on this and drag it into your timeline. Now drag it above the video you want it on into this line here. So you can see here that it says add your text here. So first of all, what you can do is you can click it and drag it to where you want it to go. You can click the edges and resize it like this. You can make it wider or smaller if you want it to be on a different amount of lines. And you can double click in here to change it. That will change the text. Now, on the right here, you have different options. So you have the font here. There are tons of different fonts you can use here. Let's say you want this one. Boom, it changes that font. It gives you the font style. So if this is if it has like bold and stuff like that, you can change it there. You can change the font size in here as well. You can change the alignment. So this will make it go to the left. This will make it go to the right. And this will centralize it. Make it bold. You can italic. Now position. This is going to be for if you have your text box a lot bigger and your text smaller. You can change the position inside the box as to where your text is going to be. So you can see like this. Here you have fades on the right here. These are the different settings. You have fade in and out. So if you want it to fade, you can do that. And that's how long it takes to fade. And that's how long it takes to fade out. And then on here, you have some effects. So if you want to give it a VHS effect, it will do that. If you want to vaporwave it, and then you can turn the intensity up or down depending on how much you want it. There's a ton of settings in here to fiddle around with, and there are tons of, as you can see down here, tons of settings here. This is pretty cool here. And you can also turn it to none. Now on the right here, this is where you can change it up to what you want, but over here they have tons of presets that you can use. So if you need a typewriter effect, you can use this here rather than having to make it all yourself. Likewise, if you scroll down to the bottom, there's a lot of presets which are commonly used. So if you're making an ad, you can put the rating in there. You've got the meme style, you've got this sale banner, intros and outros. There's just tons of different settings there. Now, once you're finished editing it, you can just click back onto here and you'll be able to edit it again. You can also drag here to make it longer or shorter. And you can right click here to copy, paste, duplicate, split and delete it. And that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.